slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting positive. I got facts over facts over facts. So speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious.
Motorola Edge 5G is a 5G-enabled smartphone that Motorola launched in 2020. It features a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. It has 3 cameras on the back: a 64 megapixels main camera, an 8 megapixels zoom camera, and a 16 megapixels wide-angle camera. It also has a 25 megapixels camera on the front for selfies. It runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of storage. It also has a slot for a micro SD card to add more space. It has a 4500 mAh battery that can be charged with an 18W charger. It has an under-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, a headphone jack, and NFC. It has a water-repellent coating on the body and runs on Android 10. It is available in 2 colors, solar black and midnight magenta. Get your Motorola Edge 5G screen replaced at Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Genuine parts and fast, seamless repairs. Accidents happen, and when your Motorola Edge 5G screen gets damaged, it's essential to find a reliable repair service that ensures genuine parts and efficient repairs. Look no further than Sydney CBD Repair Centre, a trusted repair centre known for its expertise in smartphone repairs. With over 1,700 positive Google reviews, the centre has built a solid reputation for providing top-notch service and customer satisfaction. If you have a cracked or broken screen on your Motorola Edge 5G, you might be wondering how to get it fixed. You don't want to compromise on the quality of the repair, but you also don't want to spend too much time or money on it. Luckily, there is a solution for you: Sydney CBD Repair Centre. How to replace your Motorola Edge 5G screen in Sydney CBD. Sydney CBD Repair Centre is a professional and reliable mobile phone repair shop that specializes in Motorola Edge 5G screen replacement. They have a team of experienced technicians who use genuine parts and tools to ensure that your phone looks and works like new. They can replace your Motorola Edge 5G screen in 1 business day, but if you come early you can ask their tech if possible to have it a same-day repair, and they guarantee that your old fingerprint scanner and Face ID will work on the new screen. Genuine parts and efficient repair time. At Sydney CBD Repair Centre, genuine parts are prioritized to guarantee a high-quality repair. With every Motorola Edge 5G screen replacement, the skilled technicians use authentic parts sourced directly from reputable suppliers. This ensures that your device maintains its original functionality and appearance. Additionally, the center prides itself on its efficient repair process. On average, the expert technicians can replace the screen of a Motorola Edge 5G within 1 business day, but if you come early you can ask their tech if possible to have it a same-day repair. This quick turnaround time means that you can have your device back in no time, minimizing any disruption to your daily routine. Seamless integration of fingerprint scanner and Face ID. One concern when getting a screen replaced is whether the device's security features, such as the fingerprint scanner and Face ID, will continue to function seamlessly. Sydney CBD Repair Centre recognizes the importance of these features and ensures that they are fully integrated into the new screen. The skilled technicians take great care to transfer the original fingerprint scanner and Face ID to the replacement screen, enabling you to enjoy the same level of convenience and security as before. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that you can continue to use these features without any hassle or additional setup. Credibility and customer satisfaction. Sydney CBD Repair Centre has gained a strong reputation for its exceptional service and customer satisfaction. With over 1,700 positive Google reviews, the Repair Centre has demonstrated its credibility and reliability in providing top-quality repairs. Address, hours of operation, and contact information. Located conveniently in Sydney CBD, the Repair Centre's address is Sydney CBD Repair Centre, Suite 201, Level 2, 661 George Street, Haymarket, Sydney, NSW 2000, Australia. The center's operational hours are as follows. Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. 6 o'clock p.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. 2 o'clock p.m. Sunday, closed. You can reach out to the center through the following contact information. Phone, 02-8011-4119. Email, askplushelp@sydneycbdrepaircentre.com.au. Website, https://www.sydneycbdrepaircentre.com.au/. Convenient booking options. Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers multiple options for booking a repair. You can either choose to 1. Schedule an appointment online. Their website provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to conveniently book a preferred time slot for your Motorola Edge 5G screen replacement. 2. Call and book. If you prefer to speak directly with a representative, you can call their contact number during operational hours to schedule a repair. Convenience of walk-in repairs and mail-in repairs. To cater to different customer needs, Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers the flexibility of walk-in repairs. If you're in the area, simply drop by their location and have your Motorola Edge 5G screen replaced on the spot. Alternatively, if you are unable to visit the center physically, the Repair Centre accepts mail-in repairs from both local and international customers. You can securely pack and ship your device, and their skilled technicians will carry out the required repairs promptly before returning it to you. When it comes to repairing your Motorola Edge 5G screen, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the go-to destination. With genuine parts, efficient repairs that take just 1.5 hours, and seamless integration of fingerprint scanner and Face ID, you can trust their expertise and dedication to customer satisfaction. Over 1,700 positive Google reviews attest to their credibility, making them a reliable choice for all your Motorola Edge 5G screen replacement needs. Remember, whether you prefer to book online, call directly, or avail of their walk-in or mail-in repair options, Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures a convenient and hassle-free experience. Trust their expertise to restore your device to its full functionality, ensuring you get back to enjoying your Motorola Edge 5G in no time. Don't let a damaged screen ruin your Motorola Edge 5G experience. Contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre today and get your phone fixed by the experts. You will be glad you did.